How to change Disney Plus subscription. Now, in this quick video, I'll show you additional information and how you can change your Disney Plus subscription. So the very first thing that you want to have to do is to pull up Disney Plus, whether it's from the application or the web version. Now, if you're going to be pulling it up via the app, Disney Plus will recommend you to pull up the web version of the application so that you can manage your subscription. And once you've successfully logged in, just simply access your current subscription, and there's going to be two options that you will see. So say, for example, you're currently not on a Disney bundle. Now, if you're currently on a Disney bundle, what you can see on your managed subscription is just the change option. However, if you're currently not on the Disney bundle, then Disney Plus will recommend you to switch into Disney bundle. And that's basically how you can change subscription on Disney Plus.